Hello everyone and happy holidays. This is just a short little video of me showing how I made some cute little snowflake ornaments for my Christmas tree. These are really easy to make and quick to do. You just pour the UV resin into a mixing bowl. Make sure that you pour enough so that you know it will fill up the mold. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of white mica powder, and you can use any color you like. And then just mix it up. And then pour it into the mold. Make sure that you spread it to the edges. Cure for 3 minutes. Now that it's cured, you can remove it from the mold, and you have a really nice, pretty ornament for your Christmas tree. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell for notifications of my upcoming videos. Also, in the description box below, you will find links to my artwork, photography, and jewelry. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Have a wonderful holiday. Bye-bye.